Hi, this is Shah from SADESIGN channel. I'm going to show you how to change background and add bokeh today in Photoshop. First, separate subject from the background. Go to Select, Subject, then Photoshop does make the selection. Go to Select, Select and Mask. Shortcut Ctrl-Alt-R to make the subject selection more accurate. Pick up Graphite Edge brush tool. Pan along her hair to make the hair selection part smoothly. Check to decontaminate color. Adjust the amount to 58%. Make sure to select new layer in the output. Then confirm. These stock are available in the description link for download. Select and copy this background by pressing Ctrl-A and Ctrl-C for Win or Command-A and Command-C for Mac user. Ctrl-V to paste it to our project. The new background should be below the subject layer. Expand it with Ctrl-T, hold Alt and drag it out to increase the size from the center. Go to Filter, Blur Gallery, View Blur. Adjust the blur amount on the right side as you see fit. In the Effect tab below, increase light pocket to nearly half. Limit the light range by increase the black to 238. Increase the blur amount to 130 pixels. And bokeh color to 28%. Hit OK or Enter to confirm. Next, we match the color of subject with background. Click to adjustment icon. Choose selective color. Click to clip the mask icon just to make the effect only apply to the subject layer. In red channel, cyan -6. In neutral channel, cyan -3, magenta 1, black -3. Add color to the photo. Create color lookup adjustment layer. Drop down menu in 3D LUT file, select film stock, reduce the opacity to 35%. Create S-curve to add contrast in curve adjustment layer, decrease highlight and increase shadow. Create a stamp visible layer, Ctrl-Shift-E or Command-Shift-E. Change its blend mode to multiply. Use rectangular mercury tool. Draw a shaft to nearly cover all the canvas, just like this, to make the vignette. Head to Select, Modify Feather. Increase feather radius to 3000 pixels, then press Delete. Adjust the opacity to 70%. Put all layers into a group to see the before and after. Hope that you guys enjoyed this session. Like and subscribe, or you can leave comments right down below. Thanks for watching.